Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, the letters of the word assassin are written them at random in a row. Okay, you have to make different arrangements from the letters of the word assassin, and from that you have to find the probability that no S's occurs together. Now to find the probability of an event, you have to first find the total number of elementary events and the number of events which are favorable for your particular event. So first of all we are going to find the total number of ways in which the letters of the word assassin can be arranged. So the total number of ways in which the letters of the word assassin can be arranged is, देखो assassin के अंदर there are 8 letters. So 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. But in these 4 letters, there are 2 A's repeated. So we are going to divide your answer by 2 factorial, and 4 S's are coming. So you are also going to divide by 4 factorial. So these are the total number of ways in which the letters of the word assassin can be arranged. तो इतने वर्ड्स बन सकते हैं, बट आर इवेंट इज लेट ए बी द इवेंट दैट नो टू एस अकर्स टुगेदर. तो इस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट के लिए फेवरेबल कितने हो जाएंगे? ए के लिए फेवरेबल इवेंट्स कितने हो जाएंगे कि आपको गैप मेथड यूज करने पड़ेगा. आपको वो सारे वर्ड्स निकालने हैं जिसमें ये जो 4 ए एस हैं दे वॉन्ट कम टुगेदर. तो आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द, सबसे पहले इसके लिए गैप मेथड यूज करते हैं. गैप मेथड क्या होता है? पहले रेस्ट 4 जो आपके पास 4 एस के अलावा देयर आर AAIN. तो सबसे पहले आप AAIN को अरेंज कर लेते हैं. सो द नंबर ऑफ वेज टू अरेंज AAIN इज इक्वल्स टू 4 factorial upon, क्योंकि 4 letters है, so they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, but 2 A's are coming. So we are going to divide your answer by 2 factorial. But now between these 4 letters AAIN, you have created 5 gaps. इनके बीच में 5 gaps create हो गए हैं, जिनमें से कोई भी 4 में you are going to arrange these 4 S. बट आप इन S को अरेंज नहीं करेंगे. यू हैव टू जस्ट सेलेक्ट दीज 4 प्लेसेस आउट ऑफ 5, दीज 5 प्लेसेस, क्योंकि ये चारों S आइडेंटिकल हैं. तो आप इन्हें अरेंज करेंगे तो आपको सेम वर्ड्स मिलेंगे. सो नाउ द नंबर ऑफ वेज टू फिल 4 S's in 5 gaps is, आपके पास 5 गैप्स अवेलेबल है. आप कोई भी 4 चूज करके उनमें 4S प्लेस कर देंगे. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज दैट एम्प्लाइज द नंबर ऑफ वेज फेवरेबल फॉर E is equals to this multiplied by this, and 5C4 is 5 only. Now the probability of E, you have to finally want to find the probability of A, and the probability of A is favorable upon total, and that is equals to, favorable are these cases, 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 upon 8 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel out. This will become 5 factorial, 4 factorial into 5, and 4 factorial is will also come in the numerator upon 8 factorial, and this will be equals to, 4 factorial is 24, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. This will again cancel out. This is 4, this is 2, and 1 upon 14 is your required probability.